Okay, so hello, my name is Dina Ongoro from 10B,
Hello, my name is Sohan Shah from 10F.
and we've decided to participate in this year's Mazingira Safi and make an artwork for it. So, what were the themes for this year?
So, this year's theme was inspired by nature, for climate and for our future.
So, for this theme, we thought that it would be very nice to represent the way that humanity has destroyed the environment, but at the same time is desperately trying to fix it. So, as you can see here, you can see a human eye. And at the background, you can see a drought, which represents the fact that we have destroyed the environment, like droughts that we've caused due to the climate change and such things. But at the forefront, you can see a flower growing despite all of the drought, which is supposed to show that humans are still trying to replant all the growth and all the vegetation that has died due to droughts, which is kind of how humans are trying to fix what they've done to the earth. And then you can also see the murky waters around these parts, which is supposed to represent the pollution that we've done to the water. But yet fish are still swimming in it despite it, which is to show that not all is yet lost and humanity can still fix the earth.
Yeah, so that's our main inspiration for this project. And we also have a polar bear here, which is dead from climate action due to the broken icebergs melting constantly, which we believe is generally inherently wrong in society and that we should fix that as a society. And yeah, this is our project on Inspired by Nature.
Hello, I'm Dhruvi, and
My name is Leela. So, what inspired us to do the drawing like this is see when the earth is getting destroyed. So, we made a beautiful one, except one letter is just gone, like it's brown and destroyed. So, the others are supposed to be beautiful and vibrant to inspire people to make the earth like this and aim to remove this the deforestation. And yeah,
we really enjoyed drawing this and making this artwork. So, thank you. Happy Environmental Day.
thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Niran Ladwa. Today I'm going to do an artwork of Mazingira Safi of Environmental Day. This artwork literally inspires me about how we destroy our earth by using harmful gases and things. This artwork is going to inspire other students or other people who are outside this world and don't know about it to not to destroy their earth by using harmful gases. Please save the earth, plant more trees, and do not use harmful gases to the others and make, yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Dimisha.
My name is Veera, and I'm in 8D.
And I'm in 8A.
Today we're competing in Mazingira Safi Competition 2026 from Art and Design, and we were inspired by nature.
We're inspired by nature because of the diagram, and it shows us how we should not litter around, and we should clean up all the plastics. We should not throw plastics in the seas because it's going to affect the animals. And yeah,
There are many types of the earth, like the nature, mangroves, sponge societies, wetlands, and nature, and the sea. Like our quote is like nature builds and heals our our country, and yeah.
yeah.
My name is Dhanya Hemani from class 8E. Today I participated in the Mazingira Art Competition 2026, and I've done a topic, my artwork, I've done the topic called climate change. And because of a lot of pollution, there's a lot of climate change and global warming happening. That's why in my picture I'm making what do you call mountains and plants, so that you can show that the climate, like to stop climate change.
My name is Dimisha, and I'm in 8A. I did my artwork. It is called Inspired by Nature because it's about how you get the cooling from the wind and how the earth walks. And we are inspired by nature because we love the greenery around us, and biomimicry is learning about nature. So this reminds us that we should not cut down trees and throw them into the water because this can kill the animals that live in the water. As it is shown in the drawing, in the sea, there's also a man showing that how beautiful nature is, of how the earth is beautiful colored with flowered petals in the middle. Below the biomimicry, there's an image describing how it starts and ends. And as we were talking about cutting down trees and throwing them into the water, you can also see in the sea that there are no animals in the water because of pollution caused by throwing trees into the sea. Thank you.
My name is Kia Chidasama from 9E.
My name is Mishika Shah from 9G.
So the green hands in the photo represents the humanity's connection with nature, while the act of holding the flower or the leaf shows how the environment depends on our care for it, because the environment is fragile, so it depends on our care for it to survive.
So in this picture we made a simple irrigation system, and we made a scarecrow just to show how just a small simple act of making an irrigation system can help our environment become better.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Johannavi Penamuchu.
And my name is Diksha Kirai.
And today we're here to explain our photographs. So when we first heard the theme of 2026 Mazingira Safi, the word that stuck out to us was inspiration. So from that, we first took this picture of inspiration where we had two bottles that were cut out and we put soil through them, and basically the vision behind the photo was that as a society we have two paths that we can follow, either the first one of flower beds or the second one of plastic bottles. So either we can take care of our environment, we can nourish it, and we can be responsible about what we do, or we can just be polluting the place around us, or we can be really careless about it. So it just shows the effect of what both of them can do, and it just questions us as people on what we want to do as a society, what path we want to take, and how can that lead to an outcome, and that just reflects in this picture.
And for our second picture, we have a picture of a butterfly on a flower. So what inspired us to take this picture was like how inspirational the journey of a butterfly is, like from a cocoon to a butterfly. Like when it's first a cocoon, no one really cares about it. It's not that appealing to the eye, so no one even like has interest in it. But then like as it grows to a butterfly, then after it's formed to a butterfly, like everyone notices the beauty of its wings and like how pretty it is. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kavya. Today I would like to be talking about my participation in the Mazingira Safi of the topic Inspired by Nature for the Future of Climate. Today I participated in the Gujarati essay where I wrote a poem about the nature and climate. My poem consisted of beautiful words of how our environment can be saved, but also consisted of how it has been destroyed. My poem was inspired by my teacher, Miss Vora of Oshwal Academy, where she told me ideas on what to write, on how to improve my poem. And honestly, I agree this poem was beautiful and very inspiring for me. And I'm happy to do this for anyone, anytime. Thank you.